Hello friends, welcome to UKG Plus 2. I hope so you like this video. You can share this video with your family and friends, those who really needs. For the latest information, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest update.
In this video, we are going to understand fraction. Fraction means any part be divided into some other part, that is called fraction. Before going to start the fraction, you have to know some basic terms. What is numerator and denominator? Look at here. Numerator and denominator. We are written the fraction 3 by 5. 3 is our numerator and denominator. The upper part should be always numerator and the down part should be always denominator. So you always remember upper part numerator and the down part is denominator. Now we will look at some figure, then it is easy to understand the fractional part. Look at this picture. A circle we will divide into 4 parts. Circle is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will count as 4. First we will line. Total part should be here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write total part here. How many parts are color part? 1 part. So we can write as 1 by 4. This is known as the fractional part of a circle. Someone asks what is the fractional part of here? That means color part and uncolored part. Color part and uncolored part. This is our color part and this is uncolored part. So color part is 1 part and uncolored part is 3 part. But total we have to write is here total. Uncolored part is 3 and color part 1. So we will add this together. We will call as total part. That is called denominator and numerator. The color part. Color part is numerator and uncolored part is denominator. So 1 by 4. We can read as 1 by 4. Look at some other example. This is a rectangle. But how many box I have drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, how many parts we color? 2 parts. So how we can write in this fraction? 2 is our color part and total is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total is 6. We can read as 2 by 3. Otherwise we can 2 3s are 6. So we can also called 2 by 3. We can also called 1 by 3. 2 3s are 6. So 2 1s are 2 or 2 3s are 6. The common part is 1 by 3. We can also write is 1 by 3. Look at this triangle. How many part? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 and color part is 1. So we can write 1 is the color part and 3 is the total part. So we can call as 1 by 3. This is a square. A square means all sides are equal. So we will divide into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many color part? 1, 2, 3. So color part should be up and the total part should be down. So we can write as 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is our fraction part of this a square. Look at this picture. This is a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many boxes? 10 boxes. 10 boxes. How many color part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write 4 is our color part and total is 10 our total box. So 4 by 10. Which is common table? 2 is the common table. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Again we will go no. So we can write as also 2 by 5. We can call as 2 by 5 also. Otherwise 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Color part should be up and the bottom is a total part. So 4 by 10. 4 is the color part and 10 is total box. And with the common table 2 So 2 2 is a 4 and 2 5 is a 10. So we can write also 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is our actual answer of this fractional. In this video we are going to start fraction of an addition. Fraction means डिवीज़न ऑफ एडिशन, जिसे हम हिंदी में भिन्न का जोड़ भी बोलते हैं. 1/2 plus 3/4. How we will add this two term? Before we are starting, you know the LCM. LCM means like that. We have to know the LCM. 2 and 4 LCM. LCM means 2 का LCM, 2 and 4 का LCM. We will start from the smallest number 2. 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. After that once more 2 1, but it will not come because is the two terms at least, so we will leave it here. So 2 into 2, so what it will come? 4. So this is our LCM. 4 is our LCM. We will take as denominator as an LCM. Now what we have to do? 2 is divisible by 4. 2 is divisible by 4. How much time? 2 2s are 4. Cancel out. This is our quotient. So quotient is multiplied with this numerator. So 2 into 1, that means 2. So we will write as 2 and plus sign means plus. Then again 4, this 4 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4. So cancel out. This 1 is multiplied with this 3. So 3 1 is 3. So 3 are plus 2, 5. 5 by 4. This is our required fraction of an addition. 5 by 4 is our required. This is our second example. Once again I said you, if you don't know the LCM, go to our playlist. There is LCM. You can learn the LCM, then it is easy to understood the fraction of an addition. So 2 and 2 LCM is 2. 2 divided by 2 or 1 and is quotient 1. 1 multiple 1, so 1. Plus sign plus, and 2 divided by 2 and 2 is quotient 1. Quotient 1 multiple 3, so 3. So how much it will come? 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2. The common part is 2. 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. So we can write as 2. Our required answer is 2. 2 by 4 is also correct, but 2 is actually after the dividing the common number. 2 by 4 is also correct. See the next question. Next question is 5 by 3, 2 by 3. We will take 3 and 3 as an LCM. LCM is 3. So 3 is divided by 3, 1, and multiply by 5, that is a 5. Then plus ka plus. 3 divided by 3 again 1 and multiply by 2, that is 1. And after that 5 plus 2 is a 7. 7 by 3. The next question is 4 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 2. So what I have to do? 3 4 2 LCM. We have to take 3 4 2 as LCM. What LCM will come? 12. How much? 12. Then 12 and 3 divided by 12, how much? 4. 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. Plus sign plus. 4 divided by 3, 3 times. 3 3 is 9 plus 2 12 by 6. 6 divided by 30. We will add 39 and 16. How much will come? 55. 55 by 12. 0 plus 9, 9 plus 6, 5. 5 का carry 5 and 6 plus 1, 5. and 12, that is a 55 by 12. We can answer is 55 by 12, 55 by 12. Next question is 4 by 7, 8 by 8 and 3 by 2. So what I have to do? 8, 7, 2, we take LCM. How much will come? Will come 56. 56. 7 divided by 56, how much? 8 times. 8 multiplied by 4, 32. Plus का sign plus. 8 divided by 56, 7 times. So is come 56 plus 2 divided by 56, how much? 27. 27 into 3, 84. If we add these terms, 4, 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12, carry 1. 9, 14 plus 3, 17. Why? This 56 is here. So how much? Answer is 172 by 56. Our required answer is 172 by 56. So hope so you understood the fractional of an addition. This is the basic, and for the advanced we will teach in the some other video. Friends, this is a fraction of subtraction. If you don't know the fraction of an addition, you will go into playlist and check it. This is a fraction of subtraction. Subtraction is here 5 and 3. If you don't know the LCM, go to the playlist and you will learn the LCM. That is easy to understand you to find the fraction of an addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So 3 and 5, the LCM will become how much? 15. LCM is 15. 3 and 5, LCM is 15. 3 is divided by 15 5 times. 5 means divided by 4, 20. 3 divided by 15 5 times. 5 जो quotient is coming, that is multiplied by 4. Our quotient is multiplied by numerator, that is 20. Minus sign means minus. Now 5 divided by 15. Quotient is 3. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. How much? Then 20 minus 6 is how much? 14. And 14 divided by 15. 14 divided by 15. There is no common terms to divide this. So our required answer is 14 by 15. This is our second question. 7 by 2 minus 5 by 4. What I have to do? We take 2 and 4 is a LCM. How much will come? 4. 2 divided by 4, 2. And 2 multiplied by 7. How much? 14. Minus and minus. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 multiplied by 5, 5. So 14 minus 5 is 9 divided by 4. The 9 by 4 is required answer. This is our third example. 7 by 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. So we have to look 2, 3, 4 is an LCM. How much will come? It will become 12. 12. So 2 divided by 12 is 6. 6 multiplied by 7. How much? 42. 42. Minus and minus. 3 divided by 12, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Minus 4 divided by 12, 3. 3 multiple 9. Here look at here. The trick is 2 minus. So we have to calculate these two part first. 42 as a common. Minus 8 or minus 9. How much? Minus 17. And by 12. There is no changing. Now we have to do 42 minus 17 is 25. 25 and this 12. So 25 by 12 isn't required. 25 by 12 is a required answer. This is our fourth example. 4 by 3 minus 3 by 8 and 7 by 5. So we have to take the LCM 3, 8, 5. how much it will come? It will become 120. LCM is 120. This is because if you take 8 can't divided by 2. Then if you take multiply by this 40, this cannot become. So we have to multiply all these 3. 8 multiple 3 and multiple 5 become 120. Now 3 is divided by 120. 120 means how much? 40 times. 40 multiply by 4, 160. Minus sign, minus 160. 8 divided by 120. How much time? It will become 45. Minus 5 divided by 20. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 10 and 5 4 ja 20, 45. That is that multiply by 7, 168. 168. Now the 160 is a common, same. Minus 45 minus 168. This is the same cost. Minus minus. So we will calculate these two parts because minus minus is the same cost. Minus 45 minus 168 if we add means will become 2 13 and y 120. Now 160 minus y 223 will become minus 53 y 120 because minus is greater. Here you can look minus sign having big size, that's why our answer will become in minus. This is our required answer. 4 by 3, 3 by 8, 7 by 5 is required answer is minus 53 by 20.